So this is our Medina flip project. I got more videos. This is with it all staged to sell, right? So we did a real basic, just floors, paint, doorknobs, and like plugs and switches. They got an offer on the property, but they didn't do the kitchen or bath. So they asked if we could just put a functioning tub in here. So I'm demoing everything, open it up, I'm gonna unhook everything. I'm gonna put a very basic tub in here. And I'm probably going to go back with the same system they did here. When they put this walk-in tub in, they just put an acrylic up to here. And I'm thinking of leaving the tile here also. And I'm thinking of converting it back, because you can see there's an old hole there where the shower head was. I'm thinking of putting the shower head here, putting the water, the shower diverter here, and then the drain. Because of the way the plumbing is downstairs, I have an easy way to kind of hook it back up. So it's a shame this thing's a perfectly good tub, but we're going to get it out of here. See if we can donate it or give it away. But yeah, so we're just putting a very basic setup in here just so that it's not a walk-in tub and it's more of a functional bathroom. Just because this bathroom is the only bathroom in the whole house. So it needs to be a little more functional for a non-elderly couple. Water testing, we had a leak here. Resolder this. So we're good. Let's take a look here. Yep. This is good. This isn't soldered, so that's why that's leaking. Okay, we're good. So I realized I haven't taken any videos, progress updates on anything. I might have some camera stuff that I took for Instagram. Basically, I got all new, got the tub in, the old tub out, new tub in, the PVC hooked up and re-ran because the old tub was ran over here. And then I have a new Moen shower valve here, sweated into copper. So basically what I'm doing here, it's pretty hillbilly, I'm not going to lie, but this is bare bones, cheap for fitting the budget of the customer. The place is sold, and they just wanted the old people tub out and the most basic, cheapest, functional tub that you could put back in. So the good thing is, this tile that was already here, that PVC or the copper line was still in here and worked. I just had to take some caulking out of the hole, so all this works. It water tested, the drains tested, everything's good. So I just got to basically now I have green board up, everything's screwed in, and then I'm gonna bring, you can see FRP. So we're gonna have FRP, and I'm gonna come over and basically I'm gonna attach it to the tile and come straight down. And then this gap will obviously fill in with plywood, and I have extra flooring, so I'll be able to pop these two end pieces out, and I'll put two new pieces here, and we'll have a nice caulked seam, and everything will be good. So basically we'll have a lip here, and we'll have it silicone caulked all the way around, just like they had originally for this. Same kind of thing. I'm going a little bit above it. So I'm going to clean all this old caulking off, make sure it's good. We're going to glue it really good and silicone the shit out of everything, and it should get them by for a functional tub and shower. So I'm wrapping up here. I got to put the toilet back in, but I got to go get a wax ring. So in order to get the old person's tub out, I actually had to cut this frame, right? So I had to cut all this and widen the doorway on the one side in order to swing it and get it out. So I put it all back in, sand this, I'll caulk it, it'll look all money, and I got touch-up paint, so no one will ever know. Scraped up the walls, but we painted here, so I got the touch-up paint. And they told me the most basic functional bathroom you can put in. So budget $200 Home Depot bathtub, and I wanted to leave the existing surround because the old tub that was in here, they just kind of like put a panel up. So I did this, basically mimicking their idea of having an acrylic So it's like a two piece, you know. It kind of looks a little weird, but the people that are buying the house, it's already under contract. They just didn't want the old people tub here. They're like, just give us the most basic functional bathroom that we can shower, and you know, in a couple years, you know, we'll rip everything out and do our own bathroom remodel. So this is what we came up with: the most basic functional bathroom, all new, you know, drain lines, because the drains were on this side. We had to redo the drains. And then obviously copper sweat in a whole new Moen valve. But this was already in the wall from the old shower that they deleted when they went to the walk-in tub. So just got to get a wax ring to put back here. We could put the toilet in place, and then we're good to go. Get out of here, clean up, clean my tools, put the door back on, paint touch up, and we're done. Took me about, 3 days.